If you're over 50 and you keep hearing about AI, but you're thinking, that's not for me. I'm not a programmer. I didn't grow up with this stuff. I need you to stay with me for a few minutes. I'm 64 and I spent 36 years in operations at a Fortune 200 company, and I'm not a tech genius. And I found 3 tools that actually work, tools I wish somebody had shown me years ago. Here's what I want you to do right now. Don't worry about taking notes. Just watch, because by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly which 3 tools matter and how to use them starting today. Here's what the world keeps telling people over 50. Learn AI or get left behind. The robots are coming. Everything's changing. And most of us hear that and we shut down, not because we're not capable, but because nobody's showing us where to start. I was in the same way. I opened ChatGPT once, stared at the black screen, typed something, got a response that sounded like a robot wrote it, and I closed the tab. Took me months to come back, but here's what nobody tells you about AI after 50. You don't need to understand how it works. You need to know which tools do what and what to ask them. The first tool is the one you've already heard of, ChatGPT. And I'm starting here because I ignored it way too long. Here's the mistake I made. I treated ChatGPT like Google. I'd type in a question, get an answer, and think, well, that's fine, but it's not life changing. What I didn't understand was that ChatGPT is a conversation. You don't ask it one question, you talk to it. Let me show you what I mean. I said, I'm 64. I spent 36 years in operations management. I train teams. I build processes. I solve problems. What can I do with that experience to build income online? And what it gave me was not a generic list of side hustles. It gave me a breakdown of the specific skills I already have and actually how they translate into something people would pay for. That one prompt changed everything because I stopped thinking I had nothing to offer. I realized I had 36 years of clarity that other people need. ChatGPT is free. You go to chat.openai.com. You sign up and you talk to it like a person. The more you can tell it about yourself, the better it gets, like an old friend. Tool number 2 is the one that actually saved me hours. And I want to be honest with you. I didn't think I needed it because here's the truth. Most people over 50 think the hard part about building income online is learning tech. It's not. The hard part is organizing what's already in your head. Like I said, number 2 is Claude. It's similar to ChatGPT. It's another AI assistant, and it's also free. But here's why I use both. ChatGPT is great at generating ideas. Claude is great at organizing them. Let me give you a real example. After ChatGPT helped me see that my operation experience was valuable, I had pages of notes, ideas everywhere. I knew what I could offer. I just couldn't see the structure. I opened Claude and said, here's everything I know about building processes, training teams, and solving operational problems. Organize this into a simple step-by-step system that someone could follow. Claude response appeared on screen and gave me the bones of what became the experience to income pathway. The same framework I use now to help people turn their career experience into a Skool community. And it took about 90 seconds. You can find Claude at claude.ai. Free tier. Works just like ChatGPT. You talk to it in plain English. Now, before I show you the third tool, the one that actually helps you build income, I need to tell you something, because when I started this, I thought I needed a website. I thought I needed a course. I thought I needed to learn marketing. I was wrong. And the third tool is the one that proved it. The third tool is not another AI app. It's what happens when you connect AI with Skool. Here's what I mean. ChatGPT and Claude helped me organize 36 years of experience into a clear system, but I still needed somewhere to put it, somewhere people could find it, join it, and learn from it. Skool is that place, and it costs $9 a month. $9. I built a free community. I walk people through the same process I used, turning what they already know into a simple step-by-step path. AI does the heavy lifting on the organizing. Skool gives you the home for it. And here's what I see happening over and over again. People over 50 join. They think they have nothing to offer because they don't know code and they don't edit videos. They don't understand algorithms. But the thing people actually pay for is not code, it's clarity. If you can take something complicated and make it simple, people will pay for that. The AI helps you organize it. School helps you deliver it. Let me leave you with three things nobody tells you about using AI after 50. Number one, you don't need to learn every tool. You need three: one to generate ideas, one to organize them, one to deliver them to the people who need them. Number two, the advantage you have right now, the thing most younger creators don't, is experience. AI can write a blog post, but it cannot know what it's like to manage a team for 30 years. It cannot know what it's like to solve problems in the real world. That's yours. The AI just helps you package it. Number three, you don't need to start over. I'm not here to sell your dream. I'm not promising you'll make $10,000 next month. I'm 64 and I don't do hype. What I can tell you is this: if you have experience and you're willing to spend 20 minutes with these tools, you can build something real, something that pays you, something that uses what you already know instead of asking you to become someone else. I'm building this publicly, step by step. I'm walking this path with you, not ahead of you. Here's what I want you to do right now. Go to the link below. It'll take you to the Experience to Income Pathway community on Skool. It's free to join. Inside, I walk you through the exact prompts I use with ChatGPT and Claude, the same prompts that turn 36 years of experience into a clear, simple system. You don't need to figure this out alone. The link is in the description. Join free. I'll see you inside.